How to make homemade salsa. The best tomatoes for salsa are firm, meaty varieties with fewer seeds and water content to keep your salsa from becoming too watery. Roma or plum tomatoes are ideal for chunky, flavorful salsa. Dice half a white onion. Slice vertically into the onion and then horizontally before slicing to get a diced effect. In a small bowl, add a diced tomato, diced onion, and a small portion of diced jalapeños. Add a small amount of vinegar from the jalapeno jar into your salsa. I love using fresh diced cilantro, but today I'm using dried cilantro. Stir until well combined. For the best flavor, let the salsa chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and enjoy.